Hey everyone, so in this video we'll uh, we'll cover how to access the models from Hugging Face. So first of all, what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is a AI community. So okay, there you will get all the websites, I mean models, available models in data sets and all those things. Okay, so first you have to go to this Hugging Face and after that you have to sign up there. Then you can see these are the tasks, and like let's say you want to do some text to video. That means you given a text, so it has to convert that to video. It will showcase you like what are the available models, what are the existing models available in this platform. So you can simply take one model, like in this case I'm using Qwen, right? So you can simply select that one to an image. So what it will do, text to image. So if you give a text, it will convert that to image. So simply click on this deploy and you can see inference providers. There you can see all the code and everything. Okay, reference code. So if you copy this, if you paste it there, it won't execute like that. You can access this in JavaScript also, Python also. So you can see all these things. So first of all, in order, there are multiple ways to access these models. First way is like you can download the weights. Nothing but you can see in this, you have files and versions, right? So you can simply download all these things. You can keep that in your local. Then you can access that. That is one way. Another way is through APIs, right? So you can click on this and click on this inference providers. We have this code and they given this HF token. HF means Hugging Face token. So you need to have this Hugging Face token. Once you have it, you can access this model. So ultimately, what we're doing is we are using this endpoint. Like I'll show you in the script. Okay. So we want to first, our task is we have a text and it has to convert that to image. So for that, we need some models. How we are accessing models? Earlier, we can go with Google Gemini and we can go to OpenAI APIs to implement that, but that is costly. But we want to do that in a free way or no cost way. So using this Hugging Face platform, so there are many people or companies who deploy their models, open source free models. So what you can do, you can simply use these models to implement your applications, like to use your task, right? So for that purpose, we are using this. So we'll cover these things in the upcoming videos also, but majorly our task is, let's say, I given a text, it has to convert that to image. For that, I can access any of the available models which is available in the Hugging Face. Okay, so I went to this Hugging Face and I just selected this particular category, text to video. So I selected this Qwen. So you can see this Sora, open source, and all those things. All these things are available. Okay, so but of course, this is like you have to go for APIs, and you can see other models also, which are like pretty straightforward ones. So you don't need to pay anything, but you can access it. So in that way, some models are available. So this is one of the things. So now, okay, let's say we want to implement this. We decided we have to use this Qwen image. For that, we need this Hugging Face token. How you can create it? So go to this. You already sign up, right? If you click on this, you can see access tokens. Click on this. You can create new token, and after that, you can give the token name. And after that, you have to select these options. Okay, you want to make the calls to inference providers. All these things you have to select so that you can get the access. Otherwise, you won't get. Okay, then you can see this create token, click on it. Once you do that, you can get the token. Okay, so see, these are like you can checkbox, you can understand. Okay, so whether it need that access or not. Billing is some few things you can ignore. But in case if you are unable to access that endpoints, then you have to come to your screen, your login page, and you can do these things like just two tick marks, and after that create token, it will generate a token for you. So that's it. Instead of read and write, you do this fine grained. Okay, so once it was done, then you have that token. I already have it. That's why I'm not creating now. So let's go back. I already have this. I just token I created few hours back. Okay. So that's it. Let's go to this cursor. Okay, cursor ID will do something. I just copied the code and I pasted here, but I given some modifications. I'm here. You can see this in the code that they provided. I can show you what changes I made. Okay, so here they're directly calling this os.environment. I put this token in a .env file. That's why it won't work like that. I have to use this load.env. So python.env I have to use. So that's why I given this statement like from .env import load.env, and in the .env I given my Hugging Face token details. Okay, so uh, that's it. Then after that, this is a normal code which is there. I modified this with, I just added this dot get. So because I want to uh, get this token from my .env, and I given the prompt like this, astronaut riding a horse. The model is this. I added some more steps like this is the path. Like I want to save my image in this file and image.save. So this is a normal object, you can say. They clearly mention it's a pillow image object. So dot save output path and format is PNG. I'm saving this in a PNG. So I got the message like image successfully saved it. It given the path, which path it was saved. That's it. Basic steps you can consider. Apart from these, I just given. Okay. So I just saving that in my local. So that's what those changes I made. And also I'm loading that .env, right? So environment variable. So that's changes. Those are the changes I implemented, and I executed it, and I got the result like this. I'll again do a different way. So I got the image like this, astronaut rising on a horse. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll try some more things. So instead of astronaut riding on a horse, let's say, uh, so I can go with this. So I got the, mm, sorry, the beautiful sunset. I'll take this. Okay. Uh, and this a beautiful sunset over a calm ocean. So this is the one I'm taking. I'll change this to yeah. That's why I like this cursor. So it will do automatic suggestions. Okay. So beautiful sunset.png. That's it. These are the changes. Control S. After come here, just the Python and your file name. Hit enter. So it will take few seconds. Uh, yeah, image successfully saved to beautiful sunset. You can see this beautiful sunset.png. Nice. So this is how you can generate. See, now this is completely free of cost, right? I didn't paid anything. It's not Gemini or anything, but it's given the good results from the Hugging. That's the advantage of Hugging Face. You can go there and you can explore the models. There are many things available, like apart from this text to image. Um, so go here, models. You can see this. These many tasks are available. So visual document retrieval, text to text, and text to image to video. All these things you can just click on it. You can see what are the available models. You can just do some trial and errors, and in that way you'll get some clarity. So yeah, I think as discussed, so we are good. So we covered this topic. So how we can access the models from Hugging Face and how we can implement that. So I covered this, and so now we did the task like text to image part we covered. So in the future we'll do more videos and we'll explore more things. Uh, um, yeah, thank you.